Students, we are going to revise these two questions today, and these are the questions which can be asked in 4 marks, and in the final exams these questions are very important. Now you see there are two questions, but the important thing which actually I want to convey from these two questions is about the ways how to think and how to solve problem when you have not seen problem before. So basically I cannot do all the questions which can come in CBSE, but I can taught you the way through which you can attempt all the questions in the CBSE. So basically how you have to plan, how you have to think, how to solve problems. You see this question: in an election contest between A and B, A obtained votes equal to twice the number of persons on the electoral roll who did not cast their votes, and this latter number was equal to twice his majority over B. If there were 18,000 persons on the electoral roll, then how many voted for B? So you see this question little difficult to understand what is the question, what they are talking about. But if you try to understand the question in a whole, then I think you will stuck somewhere, you will not be able to solve it, whether it is this question or any question which can come in CBSE. So basically what is important to understand, this is the first step, is you understand the problem. Understand the problem. So this is your first step. This is your first step to understand the problem. And this problem, if some of you are not able to understand what is this question, so I suggest them that you go one by one, you think, and basically you must have some visualization in your mind that what is this question. Do not think in isolation. Try to take people, try to make figure, or try to think there are two people A and B, and how many people are voting, how many are not voting. So something like this you think. So I'm just basically trying to make you understand how to think over the problem, that what is the problem. So I can see there are two people A and B. So you can see there are two people A and B. Okay, they have now gone for the elections, and there are 18,000 voters. Now you see there are 18,000 voters, but you also know that all voters do not go for voting. So you see out of them, some have gone and some have not gone. So let people, X people have not gone for voting. So it means how many people have gone for voting? 18,000 minus X. So from here your visualizations starts, and if you can think this way, then you will be able to think what is the problem. If you cannot think this way, that who are A and B, if you cannot visualize, if you cannot think what are votes, how many types of votes are there, then it means that you are going to stuck in this problem, and I'm damn sure that you won't be able to solve this problem if you don't understand this problem. Is there anyone who can solve this problem without understanding this? If there is any, please let me know. Yeah, there are ways. If you can solve the problem, if you have already mugged up the problem, the same problem that you have learned at home, or you have mugged it up home, the same problem came in the exam, then you can write the answers directly without thinking even once. But if this type of question comes, you have to think. So this is the first way how to think a problem. Now you just go one step ahead. So I have completed this line A and B. There are two people, those who are contesting elections, and there are 18,000 people, those who are in the electoral roll. Now we start from the condition. A obtained equal to twice the number of persons on the electoral roll who did not cast their vote. It means, if in short I say that A has received 2x number of votes, because this line says A obtained votes equal to twice the number of persons on the electoral roll who did not cast their votes. So this 2x is the number of votes that A received. So this is very important to understand. Now the next line says this number, actually now later this number they are talking about, that this number was equal to twice his majority over B. So next thing is about the majority. What majority means? If I say majority, it means some votes he must have got B and A has got some votes. So the difference of A's votes and B's vote is called the majority. So in short, I can write this: majority means your A minus B, because A has won the election. So majority of, because majority, it's clearly written that majority of A over B. So it means that A has got more vote. So majority means A minus B, the number of votes that A received minus number of votes that, the majority means number of votes A received minus number of votes B received. That is given to you, that this number is equal to this majority, and majority, this is also given, this is twice, because it's clearly written letter number was equal to twice his majority. Majority means A minus B over B. Over B, it's already, over B it's written, so A minus B, if there are 18,000 persons. So this is how I have thought out the problem. Now once you understood what is the problem, now we have to solve problem. Now there could be many ways of solving it, but the best possible way which you can think should be used for finding the solution. After understanding this problem, now we try to solve the problem. So first we start from here. Let the number of persons who did not cast their vote is X, and number of persons who voted is, will be definitely 18,000 minus X. So as per question, A received 2x votes, because it is clearly mentioned that A has received twice the number of persons on the electoral roll who did not cast their votes. So this is this. Now next condition is that this number is twice the majority of A over B. So it means, as per question, you can write this, that number of votes, or in simple I can write this, that whatever number of votes A received, this is the majority. Majority means whatever the majority, will explain you later on, majority, and this is twice. I'm just explaining you. So majority means that how many votes A has received, that is more than B. So this means A minus B. So this is what the condition given to you, but we can write that into statements, and as per question we can write, this is for your understanding, do not write this in the exam. So as per the question, A has received 2x votes, so this is 2 twice. A has received, this is 2x number of votes, but do we know how many votes B has received? So we assume that this is, let's say, Y. So here we mention, let B received Y votes. So this way, now this you can simplify, and here from x minus 2x equal to minus y, so y will also be equal to x. Now you can see you have come to this, that y equal to x. So x, y means the vote that B has received, and x and 2x are the votes that your B has received. So as per question, you know A's vote and B's vote. I can write here A's vote x. Now we have to come to the total number of votes that A and B received. See, A and B received total number of votes means 18,000 minus x. Why I am doing 18,000 minus x? Because x are the number of people, those who did not vote. So they must not have received these people's vote. So total votes are 18,000 minus x. So we simplify this condition. So y means, you know, this A is 2x and B we assume this as y. So this is also as x, and this is 18,000 and this is x. So if you solve it, so this will become 4x equal to 18,000. So x will be 4,500. So after getting this value of x, now you know how many votes A must have received. This is 9,000. So A must have received 9,000, because this is 2 into x. 2 into x means 2 into 4,500. So this is 9,000, and B must have received 4,500 votes. Now last step is that you can you verify your answer. So answer can be verified very easily, that your this is total people are 18,000 and X means 4,500 has not voted. So how many people have voted? This will be, you subtract 18,000 में से 4,500 you subtract, this will be 13,500. So 13,500, out of these 13,500, A must have received 9,000 votes and B must have received 4,500 votes. So you can put all these numbers into these conditions and you will see that your answer is correct. Okay, let's start this question number 2. You have to find this shaded area. Now you can see this question. In this question, this is a square inside and there are 4 leaves you can see which are joining at the center. So for your understanding, I have just drawn one leaf in 1/4, yeah, you can say quarter of this square. So this complete one is 14 centimeter. So half of that will be 7 centimeter and this will also be 7 centimeter. And this angle will be 90 degree because you have to draw a line which will divide this square into 4 equal parts. So you can see this area. How you can find this area? So whatever area is this, there are total 4 leaves and total area will be 8 times this area, because 1 2 and 2 to 4 4, this is 6 and this is 8. So if I am able to get this area which I have shaded here, I can just do this way also, then I can multiply this area by 8 and I'll get the answer of this shaded area. So this area is actually a segment. You can see, I can make it here in short, that this is actually this area, this half leaf, if half, this is half area of the leaf. So this area is, you know, this is 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter. So this area can be found directly. We can write this shaded area is equal to 8 times area of the sector, minus area of triangle. So simply you apply the sectors formula. This is 90 upon 360 pi r square. R here you can see this is 7. So this 7 centimeter, and area of this triangle, you can see this triangle is 1/2 base into height. So 1/2, 7 into 7. So this is 8. You can simplify this. This is 1/4. This is 22/7 and this is 7 into 7. This is 1/2, 7 into 7. So you can simplify. This is 7 cancelled. This is 2 ja and this is 11 ja. Now you cannot simplify, so you take common. This is, see, 1/2 is common, take 1/2 common. Here it is 1 7, take 7 common. So now 11 is left inside and here it is 1 7 is left. So this is 11 minus 7. Now you can check the calculation. 1/2 have taken common, 1 7 we have taken common. So here only 11 is left and here this 1 and 2, this 7 is left. So this is 2, this is 4, 4 7 are 28 and 11 minus 7 is again 4. So you can just simplify 8, this is 1 1 2, 8 4 8 ja 32, 2 carry 3 and this is this centimeter square. So this question again, if you think in the right direction, then you can find the answer. Basically today what we have discussed, these are not about the questions, this is about the way of thinking to solve the problems. Thank you children.